Ooh. So mo day nila ang main swimming pool. Dako day ilang main swimming pool. And ay kiddie pool dito. And mo nila ang restaurant. Ilang main restaurant. Nindot ka siya view. Oh. Nice. Okay. Thank you. All right. So 6 PM pa mag-start ilang buffet, so timing ra atong pag-abot. Let's go. Uy, ano ito sa salad?
Salade er wel lekker uitzien.
Bread. Mga fish. Good evening. May shrimp. Nice squid. And pork.
Shrimp?
Pork. Pork belly. Nice. Fish na. Okay. Thank you. Ito sila yung mga fruits and dessert. May pineapple, manga, and apoy cake. Naik ka ng 5 quality isda. Grilled. Cake. Garlic parmesan, chicken, pops. Fried wonton there, and I think chicken pops gapon. Rice and beef stroganoff, and I kung pao chicken, third vegetables. There. Alright. So, mga healthy. Cream of broccoli. Pod. Ano itong round 1. Appetizer lang sa ni. May fish. Actually, dagat fish. May sinugba. And another fish. And a cup of bread. And kaning chicken salad, and napoy sila pork belly. Kani siya sa may gikuhanan niya.
Nag-dessert na ko.
Nag-dessert na ka ako. Sayo hagod.
Fudge brownie.
Mojito and margarita. So na sila happy hour from 5 PM to 7 PM probably. So buy one take one ilang cocktail drinks there. Diba? Kami kayo. Ano yung salad? Lami. I think this thing ay ilang fish. Fish.
Ano kasi ito sausawan sa fish lang?
Dami yung timpla. Hindi kaya ng fish. Ang belly atong sumayan ng belly. Lami ang belly, lami ang fish, lami ang salad. Ayos. Maludo ito sa ang buffet area. There. Basta man. Second round na Davey. Second round. Of course, rice is life. Oh, gulay. Round 2. Gulay-gulay. Yeah, broccoli. Carrots.
Carrots.
Okay. Oh, seafood curry? Yun lang ko ni. Seafood curry.
Ikaw, kumain ka?
Yun lang ko. Next, kung pao chicken. Oh, okay ra. Isa siguro.
Kasi nga lang.
One lang. Ani beef.
Ganun
Ako
ka?
gamay. 2 slices. Okay. So muna itong round 2 kay Garden of Salad. Kay healthy. Round 2 dessert. Itong dessert naman round 2 kay vegetable ta. Flavor salad. Salad. Yan ang mga vegetable. Vegetable. Refreshing niyo.
Pero kami press meet ni DC. Pagkabat siya, pagkalig. Magawa para si DC ng papa. Ano sila? Ito na si 61. 61. 62. 61.
Kami lang food.
Si DC?
Sulit. For me, sulit ilang buffet. 199.
Na December.
May seafood, may meat, may vegetable, kompleto, may rice. Sarap.
Kaya 63 yung papa. Saka sunod sila.
Dessert na rin. Mga nilang dessert. May cake, may fruits. So, lami daw yung ang brownies. Tapos sila ay brazo with Mercedes. Looks good. And cake. It's like mango cake. There. Last but not the least, dessert. May mango cake and mga fruits. Watermelon, pineapple, mango. So wala to video for today. Lamirang food sa Saffron Amorita here in Panglao, Bohol. So thumbs up sa di na ko makita, but 999 and sulit lang na sila grilled barbecue, meat, seafood, and ay curry and vegetable and daghan pa. So di lagi ko makita. So muna to video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.